We continue with exercise 4.3. Then second question. Construct quadrilateral plan. You have to construct quadrilateral plan. PL equal to 4 cm, LA equal to 6.5 cm, angle P equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 110 degree, and angle N equal to 85 degree. Now here you can see that we have two adjacent sides and three angles are given, two adjacent sides. So first of all we can draw the rough figure. Plan is the quadrilateral. So plan. So you should have an idea. PL, P is 90 degree. Angle L is not given. Then we have a P, L, A, N. P is 90 degree. L is not given. PL is 4 centimeter. LA 6.5 centimeter. Then angle P 90 degree. L is not given. Angle A 110 and angle N is 85 degree. So we have the rough figure. Now angle P is 90 degree. Then angle L is not given. So how we can start it? How we can do the or start the construction? If you draw PL, angle P is there but L is not there. Then can we draw this line segment LA? Not possible. Suppose if you start from LA, first of all if you draw LA, angle L is not given. Then how we can draw this, that means LP, how we can draw? Not possible. So if you start with the PL 4 centimeter, suppose you started with the PL 4 centimeter, angle P is 90 degree. So you will get a ray like this. Then what about L? Angle L is not given. So we cannot do anything with here. We cannot, that means we cannot continue. So if we know this angle, we can do the construction. So what we have to do here? We want to find out the measure of angle L. So this is a quadrilateral. So what is the angle sum of a quadrilateral? Angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N equal to 360 degree. So how can you find out the measure of angle L? So we have to find out measure of angle L. Then only we can do the construction. So angle L is equal to 360 degree minus sum of the measures of the other three angles, that is 90 degree plus 85 degree plus 110 degree. So first of all you have to find out the measure of angle L. So which is equal to 360 degree minus 90 plus 85 plus 110, 5, 285. So 360 degree minus 285 degree. Then 360 minus 285, 75. So measure of angle L equal to 75 degree. So first of all you have to find out measure of angle L. So angle L equal to 75 degree. Then we can continue the construction. Okay. So now we are going to start the construction. First of all we have to draw line segment PL of length 4 centimeter. So PL which is equal to 4 centimeter. Then at P you have to construct 90 degree. So we know that how we can construct a 90 degree. Okay. So 90 degree lies between 60 degree and 120 degree. So first of all take a suitable radius with P as center, you have to draw an arc. Then no need to change the radius. So this arc intersects the line segment at this point. With this point as center, cut the arc. So if you join it, you will get a 60 degree. Then from that, again you cut it. So when you join it, you will get 120 degree. So you have to consider, in order to construct a 90 degree, you have to consider this arc length. So how we can, so we want to find out the angle bisector of this angle. That means this one you have to bisect. So how we can do it? Take more than half of this measure, more than half. Take more than half. You have to draw the arcs. Okay. From this point you have to draw an arc. Then from this point also you have to draw another arc which intersects the previous arc. And when you join it, it will be 90 degree. So you can take this ray as a Px. So 90 degree. Then angle and 75 degree. So we can use our protractor. Okay. So the standard angles, that means 60 degree, 120 degree, or 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, then 30 degree angle bisector. 60 degree, then 45 degree, and this 105 degree. Use your compasses, ruler and compasses. That means compasses, using compasses you can construct these angles, and all other angles you can use your protractor. Now 75 degree. Keep the center of the protractor at L. Then 75 degree is an acute angle, and you can see that the zero of protractor, the baseline coincides with the outer scale zero of the protractor. So take 75 degree. 75 degree will come here. Mark a point here, 75 degree. Then join L and that point. Okay, so this measure will be 75 degree. Then look at that. What you have to do? You have to measure 6.5 centimeter along this ray. We can mark it as, so this ray we can mark as Ly. Then measure 6.5 centimeter. Take 6.5 centimeter on your compasses, 6.5 centimeter. Okay, take 6.5 centimeter. Then with L center, you can cut it. Then mark this point as A. Then again, at A, what you have to construct? An angle of 110 degree. So you can take your protractor. Keep the protractor. So this is the line, baseline. So the angle will be here. So we have to consider the angle. So this is the baseline. So keep the center of the protractor here. Then you can see that the outer scale zero coincides with the line, baseline. So we have to measure 110. So 110 will come here. 110. Mark it. Then A and that point you can join. A and that point. Okay, so we can mark this ray as AZ. And the point of intersection of ray AZ and PX, you can take it as N. So this angle will be 85 degree. So if you take a protractor and measure it, you can see that this measure will be 85 degree. And here the angle is 110 degree. So this is the construction. So look at the rough figure, and using the rough figure we can do the construction. How we can write down the steps of construction? First step, draw a rough figure and mark the given measures. Then second step, draw a line segment PL of length 4 centimeter. Then third step, at P, draw ray PX. At P, draw ray PX, making an angle of 90 degree with the PL. Making an angle of 90 degree with the PL. Then at L, next step, fourth step, at L, draw ray LY, making an angle of 75 degree with the LP. Then measure, fifth step, measure 6 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Measure 6.5 centimeter along ray LY and mark the point as A. Then next step, at A, draw ray AZ, making an angle of 110 degree with the AL. Then next step, let N be the point of intersection of the rays PX and AZ. Then plan is the required quadrilateral. So these then children, you remember only these angles you can construct with your compasses, okay, and all other angles you can use your protractor. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.